I'm glad you all came with me on this ride. Such a beautiful area. Literally, I could spend a week here and not go to the same area twice. I want to come down here for the Red River Scramble. One day I will. If you don't know what the Red River Scramble is, it is a adventure dual sport motorcycle rally, usually in the end or middle of September, I think. And there are routes that are planned that are, from easy like this, curvy paved roads to Forest Service roads to all the way to the hardcore dual sport. You're going to get dirty and muddy kind of routes as well.